So in this video, I'm going to discuss the Lunatic Never Content problem which occurred in today's Code Forces challenge. So the problem is very simple. It is stated that you are given an array of size n and you have to make that array as a palindrome. And what you can do is you can find the biggest value of x such that you have to like replace all the elements of array with, that is AR of I will be replaced with AR of I mod x such that the array becomes a palindrome and you have to find the biggest value of x possible. So this problem is like you can check for all. The basic approach would be the naive approach, which I think, like I have not tried it, I think would be giving you a TLE. So it will be to check for all the elements, that is for x. So you can check from from I is equal to 10 to the power 9 to I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, and check for all. You're going to make all the elements as AR of j mod x and check if it is a palindrome or not. If it is palindrome or not, okay. This is the basic naive approach, but this is obviously going to give you a TLE, so don't try it. So let's ignore this thing. So let's go into the main approach. So what we have to do is, since we know that for the palindrome we don't need to traverse through the whole array, we have to traverse through the halfway through of the array. So we have to find that absolute difference between the elements, okay, which has to match. Like, what is a palindrome? If a palindrome is basically drawing a line in between and checking for all the extreme elements, right? So we have to find the difference of all the extreme elements. So let's like directly do it with this example. Okay, for this 8, so what are the difference between 3 and 1? It is 2, right? For 0 and 2, so this is, let's cancel it out, 3 and 1. For 0 and 2 it is 2, right? Again 2. Okay, for 3 and 1 it is 2 again, right? And for 2 and 0 it is 2 again. So whatever you get from this, you have to find the GCD of the whole thing. Okay, so what is the GCD of the whole thing? It is 2, right? GCD of 2, 2, 2, 2, it's 2. So the answer is 2. For this 1, 2, so what is 2 minus 1? It is 1, right? So what is GCD of 1? It is 1. For this 0, so what is 0 minus 0? It is basically 0, right? So what is the GCD of 0? It is 0. Okay, for this it is 1, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever it is minus this, it is basically this number, that is 999999900, I guess. And this is, so let's cancel this out. And for 1 minus 1 it is 0. So what is the GCD of this and 0? It is basically this number. Or is it so? It is 0, right? But there is a, like, this is a very nice thing, that if there is a 0 we don't need to consider it. Okay, but remember one thing, if there is only one element, the answer would be 0. But if there is more than one element, the answer would be this thing. Okay, or the GCD of the whole sub array. Okay, so this is how this thing works. So I hope this is like it. Sorry, I forgot to mention. So this is comma 0. So this is how this thing works. So that's it from my side. That's it. Thank you.